Now, let's see how we can create our own migration. So let's open our project, and in the terminal, we have to type PHP artisan make colon migration, then give it a name. So I'm going to name it students table. Now enter. Now, if I go to inside my database folder migration, in here, as you guys can see, a new migration file has been created. And if I open it, by default, I have this two method inside this. One is up and another one is down. The up is used to create your table structure, and the down is used when you want to reverse the migration. Now, in here, if you want the Laravel to create the table name also for you can create a migration like this. So let's create a new migration. So PHP artisan make migration. Then you this is very important part. You have to type the name of migration like this. Create underscore your table name, in my case is student, and again underscore table. Now press enter. Now if I open this one, in here, as you guys can see, I have the schema also, and in here my drop table as well. So when you give him a name only, it will just create this two method for you. But if you type the name like this, it will generate the schema for you as well. So you only have to type the column names. So as we said in here, the up method is used to create the structure of your table, and the down method is used to drop or reverse the changes of this migration.